In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import bookmarks from Chrome to Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful process if you're switching browsers and want to keep all of your saved websites, folders, and important links in one place without starting over from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu icon. This is the three-line menu where you can find all of Firefox's main settings and tools. From the menu, click Bookmarks. This opens the Bookmarks section where you can manage, organize, and import your saved pages. Next, click Manage Bookmarks. This will open the Bookmarks library, which is where Firefox lets you control your bookmark collections more directly. In the Bookmarks library, click Import and Backup. This is the option that gives you access to importing bookmarks and saving backups as well. From there, click Import Data from another browser. Firefox will now show you a list of supported browsers that it can import from. Select Google from the list, which represents Chrome in this import process. After selecting Google, click the plus icon or expand option if needed, then choose Bookmarks. Make sure bookmarks are selected so Firefox knows exactly what data you want to bring over. If you only want bookmarks, leave the other options unchecked. Once everything looks correct, click Import. Firefox will then start copying your Chrome bookmarks into Firefox automatically. Depending on how many bookmarks you have, this may take just a few moments. When it's finished, your bookmarks should now appear in Firefox and be ready to use right away. You can check your bookmarks bar or the bookmarks library to confirm everything came across properly. And that's it. You've successfully imported bookmarks from Chrome to Firefox. If this video helped you, please remember to like and subscribe for more quick and helpful browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.